y'all, and welcome back to the final episode of Our House Through the Years. I'm so glad y'all are enjoying this little series. It's been so much fun for me to walk down memory lane and just kind of relive some of the things that we've went through. All the changes that we've made, you really don't realize it until you start actually seeing the photos, even though you live in it every day. But now we're moving on to the master bedroom and bathroom. I hope you enjoy. All right, so on to the master bedroom. This was probably my least favorite room in this house when we moved in. I did not like it. I could not get it right, and I didn't know what to do. But now I can say I totally love our master bedroom. So let's look at the transformation. The master bedroom. Okay, so this is what it looked like when we just like put the furniture in, didn't set it up or anything. It was painted the same color as the house, as all the rooms in the house, and I just hated this color in our master bedroom. I don't know why, but I could not get it right. I tried having a little setting area because I do use that chair in the mornings when I'm getting dressed. I tried, you know, adding decor. I just hated this room. So then I decided I was going to paint it my favorite color, olive green. I got new curtains. I tried different bedding, rearranging, different artwork. It was just a work in progress. And I did not like this particular green bedding on the bed. It just was not what I was going for. This was our armoire. I actually ended up giving this to my mom, and she got me a replacement because she wanted that armoire. But then we added the German schmear brick to the wall where our bed went. I got this bedding. Love this bedding. We went through several different rugs. I ended up finding the perfect rug on Facebook Marketplace. I paid $25 for it. It looks like it's stained up, but it's really not. It's the texture of the rug. But it finally started coming together. I also fell in love with getting the vintage prints off of Etsy, and I have several of those in our room. I changed up some pillow shams. I was going for a vintage French country look, and I truly, truly love this room. I got a chair cover for that chair. I use it every day, so I needed it. This is some thrifted items on the wall. I started playing around with dressing up the top of the armoire. This is the armoire my mother ended up getting to replace the one that I originally had. And I had to bring in some chickens and just started playing around with the top of the armoire. And y'all, I just absolutely love the way this whole bedroom come together. And I can honestly say now, I love our master bedroom. It's taken several years to get to this point, but I love it. Now on to the master bathroom. The only thing we really changed in here, this was the realtor photo. Really the only thing we have done to this master bathroom is paint. It is amazing what just paint will do, as you will be able to see in the photos. Again, these are the realtor photos. And then this is when we moved in, had it painted to like the other parts of the house. And then I brought that same olive green into our master bath. And y'all, it totally transformed this room. Now, of course, with pictures, you really can't, it looks a little dark, but it's really not. Went through quite a few decor changes, trying to find what I liked. But overall, I totally love this master bath. This is the shower rod. We ended up adding the same decorative board to cover the shower rod. That works out great. I love the way that looks. And the cabinet that we took down in the front bathroom, we ended up using in the master bath, and it gave us extra storage. And I really like the way it filled up that space. So it has come a long way, and literally all we did was add the shower board, the board to cover the shower curtain, and put that cabinet up and change the paint color, and that's it. And I just absolutely love it. Well, that will wrap up this little series. I've had so much fun walking down memory lane. There's so many things that I forgot. You know, at the time, they're traumatic, and a lot of tears were shed before we ever moved in, because we literally paid for this house for like three months before we were ever even able to live in it. And it was just one thing after the other. I didn't even tell y'all about before we moved in the midst of all the flooring chaos and everything else, a lightning storm hit the house. Yeah, knocked out our garage door opener. We had to replace that. It did something with the water in the refrigerator or something. Anyway, we walked into a floor full of water. I mean, it was just so many things. I was honestly at one point thinking the house was cursed because we were having so many issues. And I actually had my granny and my mom come down, walk through the house, pray over it, anoint it. And because there was just so much going on, and it was just like, I can't take any more. The tears, everything. But we got in. We love it. I was really surprised at several of y'all were talking about, y'all couldn't believe the square footage because it looks so much larger. And I agree. I think it has to do with the open floor plan, and the high ceilings make it look a lot larger. It is actually the perfect size for James and myself. We have more than enough room to do what we want in this house. We don't even live in most of it. We just live from the kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom. And we have this end of the house that I'm in. You know, it's here if we need it, and it's nice to have it. But, I mean, we rarely use it. But it's the perfect size for me and him. There was something, and somebody said that it is amazing how much smaller the empty house looked versus when you have all the furniture in it. And I agree with that too. It just blows me away that it actually looks larger now that we have all of the furniture, the big fireplace in the living room, all of that. It just, how does that happen? I don't know, but it works. And the fireplace, I forgot to mention, in the living room, it is not a permanent attachment. Like if we was to ever sell this house and the people didn't want it, didn't like it, all of that can be removed, taken down with no damage to the wall, no damage to the floor underneath, you know, so it's not a structural change per se. But I mean, I don't ever see us getting rid of it because we absolutely love it. But thank y'all so much for walking down memory lane with me. I am so glad that y'all have enjoyed this little series. It's been a lot of fun, and you know, I hope it encourages you. Enjoy the process because it's definitely a process. We bought this house in 2017. All this has transpired through the years, and here we are, and who knows? Who knows what we're going to do next? So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.